Ever pondered over who keeps the wind turbines functioning seamlessly? Welcome to the world of wind turbine technicians. These masterminds are the backbone of wind energy infrastructure, diligently maintaining and repairing wind turbines. Their expertise ensures optimal operation and performance, a critical factor in the generation of renewable energy. They ensure that the colossal turbines you see are not just spinning for show, but efficiently generating power. So next time you see a wind turbine spinning effortlessly, remember there's a wind turbine technician ensuring it works flawlessly. But what exactly do these wind turbine technicians do, you might ask? Well, they wear many hats, all essential for the operation and upkeep of wind turbines. They are the vigilant guardians who regularly maintain and inspect these towering giants. From the integrity of the blades to the condition of the tower and other components, they keep a close eye on everything, addressing wear and tear before it becomes a problem. When malfunctions occur, they're the troubleshooting masters, diagnosing issues and performing necessary repairs, whether it be electrical, hydraulic, or mechanical systems that need attention. They are safety champions, adhering to strict protocols, particularly when working at great heights or in the enclosed nacelle atop the tower. They are precision experts, calibrating instruments and systems to ensure efficient operation and accurate power generation. They are meticulous record keepers, documenting every detail of their maintenance and repair activities. In emergencies, they are the first responders, working tirelessly to restore damaged turbines and minimize downtime. And as technology advances, they are the innovators, upgrading and modifying turbines to improve efficiency and performance. Whether it's a routine check or an emergency, wind turbine technicians are always on the front line, ensuring everything runs smoothly. So, how significant are these technicians to the renewable energy sector, you might ask? Well, their importance cannot be overstated. Wind turbine technicians are the lifeblood of the wind power industry, ensuring turbines function optimally, generate electricity, and reduce environmental impact. Their work is instrumental in promoting the growth of wind power as a sustainable energy source. They are the invisible heroes, keeping the turbines spinning and the clean energy flowing. In conclusion, wind turbine technicians are the backbone of the wind energy sector, powering our world with clean, renewable energy.